converting a fraction to a decimal. The code defines a class named solution with a string builder named str to hold the result string, and a HashMap named map to keep track of the remainder and its position in the result string. The code defines a method named fraction to decimal that takes two integers, a numerator and a denominator, as input and returns a string as output. The first thing the fraction to decimal method does is to handle some special cases. If the denominator is 0, it returns an empty string. If the numerator and denominator have opposite signs, it appends a to the result string and takes the absolute value of both the numerator and the denominator. Next, the code calculates the integer part of the result by dividing the numerator by the denominator and taking the flow of the result. It appends this integer part to the result string. If the remainder is 0, the code returns the result string. Otherwise, it appends a to the result string and calls another method named append fraction to handle the fractional part. The append fraction method takes three long integers, a remainder, a value, and a denominator, as input, where the value is the integer part of the current division and the remainder is the current remainder. The append fraction method uses a while loop to perform the long division algorithm, where it multiplies the current remainder by 10 and then divides it by the denominator to get the next value and remainder. It appends the value to the result string and updates the remainder. While doing the long division, the code checks if the remainder has been seen before by checking if the remainder is already present in the map. If it is not, the code adds the remainder and its position in the result string to the map. If the remainder is already present in the map, it means that the long division is about to repeat, and the code inserts a at the position where the previous occurrence of the remainder was found and appends a at the end of the result string to indicate the repeating part. Finally, the append fraction method returns the result string, and the fraction to decimal method returns the final result string. The code also defines a main method in a class named recurring decimal to test the fraction to decimal method.